Want to create a free website in 2026 without any coding or hosting costs? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a 100% free website using Blogger, even if you're a complete beginner. Blogger is powered by Google. It's easy to use, and it's perfect for blogs, personal websites, and even monetized projects. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, share it with friends, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and online earning tutorials. Now, let's jump straight into step 1 and get your free website live. Sign in to Blogger. Open your browser and go to blogger.com. Click on the sign in button and log in using your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it for free in just a few minutes. The best part? There's no hosting setup and no technical configuration required. It's completely free and powered by Google. Now, let's create your new blog. Click on Create New Blog. Enter your blog title. This will be your website name. Then choose your blog address like yourname.blogspot.com. As the name is available, click Next. Try to keep your name simple, clean, and brand-friendly. Next, choose a free Blogger theme. You'll see several design options available. Select the one you like best. You can preview it before applying. Don't worry, you can always change your theme later. Once selected, click Create Blog. And just like that, your website structure is ready. Now, you'll see the Blogger dashboard. This is your website's control center. From here, you can create posts, add pages, customize your design, and manage settings. Take a few seconds to explore the menu so you understand where everything is. Let's publish your first post. Click on Posts, then select New Post. Add a title for your article. Write your content in the editor. You can also insert images, videos, or links. When you're ready, click Publish. Congratulations, your website is now live on the internet. Now, let's create important pages for your website. Go to the Pages section and click New Page. Create pages like About Us, Contact, Privacy Policy, and Disclaimer. These pages help build trust and are important if you plan to monetize your site with Google AdSense. Next, customize your website design. Go to Theme and click Customize. Here you can change colors, fonts, background, and layout. You can also add a logo, menu, and sidebar widgets. No coding skills are required. Everything is beginner-friendly. By default, your website will have a Blogspot address. But if you want a professional look, you can connect a custom domain like yourname.com. Go to Settings and select Custom Domain. Add your domain and follow the DNS instructions. Hosting will still remain free on Blogger. Now, let's optimize your website for search engines. Go to Settings and find the Search Preferences section. Enable meta descriptions, search engine visibility, and custom permalinks. These settings help your website rank better on Google. Once you start getting visitors, you can monetize your blog. Apply for Google AdSense to display ads. You can also add affiliate links or sponsored posts. With consistent content and traffic, your free website can turn into a real income source. And that's how you create a free website on Blogger in 2026, step by step. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who want to start a website, and drop your questions in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more website tutorials, online earning tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.